Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to complete the sample collections quest in Heartopia's Call of Whales event week 5. First, there is one requirement before you can access this quest. You need to complete the Legend of the Pink Whale quest from Rory. And if you don't know how to complete the quest yet, you can just check my Heartopia playlist for the full tutorial. And once you have completed it, the sample collections quest will be become available. And then now just head back to the collections box that located right in front of your home like this box. And then next just tap on it like this to open it. And then in here, you need to submit the different sample requested in the collections box. This can be a bird event or fish event, insect event, or star fruit, food events, or just seashell from the ocean's cleanup rewards. Just simply prepare the required items and then just submit them one by one like this, for example. And then next just tap on submit, and just like that it will increase your collections progress. And in here you only need to reach at least 30% completions to finish this quest like this. Like this. And when you reach the 30%, the quest will be complete and you can claim the rewards on here. And you can also continue submitting samples until the collection reaches 100%. And every progress you will get the rewards like this. The Vision Wave token as a reward. And okay, that's it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.